Now, the reason why I labor this point is because all of the index laws lead you to a log law, right?
You can make the subject.
Oh yeah, of course. Yeah. You easily can, right? You can, but it just doesn't tend to be what we do. You just go s to the power of 1 on t. Right? You take the teeth root of both sides, right? Now, I want you to think of these, and now here's the mind shift, okay? I want you to help me work out the log laws and therefore what they mean in these terms. Let's look at the first one, okay? What's the log law that corresponds to that index law?
Log
base A
n
plus log base A of n
is equal to log base A n plus n.
Sorry, yeah, I've got m's in. Times.
Yeah.
Okay, now, stop. That's the law. But why does it work? Let's punch the numbers in this time, okay? If I say something like this, okay, stop. What does this mean? Logs are answering this question. How long? When you see a log, you should think that's a time. That's a duration. T equals that. So what I've got here are two different times. Two lengths of time, and I'm adding them together, right? What is this length of time? How long does it take to double something and get to 8 times bigger? Answer, it takes me 3 time periods. What's this length of time? 5 time periods, right? So if I add 3 time periods and 5 time periods, I ought to be 8 time periods, right? 8 years, 8 minutes, whatever, right? So I should have, like I'm growing at a rate of 2, aren't I? So it's going to be rate of 2. After 8 time periods, how big will I be?
2 to the power of 8.
And the answer is 2 to the power of 8, which is 8 times 32, which is 256. It's mn, right? This is why you magically multiply these across. It's because you're adding times, so after you've added that amount of time, that's where you end. Okay? This is the same law, but let's look at these ones. They're really, really quick. Watch. What's the log law that corresponds to 3? Log base A of 1.
0.
Okay, stop. What question is this asking? It's a time question. It's how long, if I'm growing at a rate of A, whatever that is, how long will it take for me to be the same size that I started with? Answer, it doesn't take me any time. I'm already that size, right?
Yeah.
Stop, we're almost there. Here's log law number 4. What does it mean?
How much
If I'm growing at a rate of A, how long is it going to take me to be A times bigger than what I started? Answer, 1 time period. Last one. What's the log law? Log base A 1 over A equals.
So how long does it take you to get?
How long does it take me? I'm growing at a rate of A. Let's put a number on this. Log base 2 of a half. If I'm growing at a rate of 2, I'm doubling every time period. How long will it take me to be half the size I am now? Answer, you've got to go back in time. That's when I was half the size I was. You have to go 1 time period ago. Do you understand what's going on?